Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Nissan, please help me click that subscribe button and that bell notification so every time I have new video, you guys be updated. But I'm working on a 2021 Nissan Rogue 2.5 engine liter, and I'm just doing the oil change. And you can see the oil is very dirty. And for the oil grade, this one's take 020. Let me focus it. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, 020. For the bottom cover here, just all clips all around. And the filter's right here. I already loosened it. Let it drain. Let it drain slowly. And then the drain bolt is right here. There you go. Let it drain out. So now everything's completely drained out. I put a little bit of oil on the gasket right here on the new filter. Put it on the new one. Wipe that spot. And just tighten down your 14 millimeter. There you go. That's it. Just put your cover back. It takes 020, so I'm putting in full synthetic. I believe this takes 5 quarts. So it should be at the mark at 5 quarts. I don't know if you guys can see the oil is clear. Yep, right here. You can see it right there at the high mark. So it's perfect. Now I have the key on. Now I'm gonna reset the light. So I'm just gonna toggle through the menu and then go down to maintenance. Click on it. Now that's a factory reset. So dealership, they have their reset at 10,000, but you change your oil at 5,000. So I'm gonna press OK. Yes. There you go, reset. And then I'm gonna go back. Oil and oil filter. I'm gonna set it to 5,000. So you change your oil at every 5,000 miles, and then once you drive, that number is gonna go up, and then once it hits 5,000, the maintenance light will turn on, and that's it. So now I'm gonna turn off the car, turn it back on. That is it for this video, guys. That's some weird noise. That is it for this video, guys. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Anything you want to ask me, I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.